Here's my garden. I'm going to put something in today. Those are some flowers someone else put in. They come back every year. Let's see if I can expand it out to there. In other words, take it from here out to here and across. Over that way. Yeah, I'll wash my windows too. And expand it over that corner. I'll put some kind of rocks down here. Rock edge. Make a boundary between the rocks and the garden. A little walkway in between to get to the back. Cut that in too with rocks over there for her. Here's my bedroom, which will stay nicely shaded with this sun deck above. I don't think I'm worried about that getting sleep. Here's the view off the back. There's their deck. And they got the gazebo way over there. I'd even like to plant flowers here in this bank. Edible. I could do a orchid garden down there. Run rainwater down. Anyway. I'll even do something under here to make this look all better. Definitely here. Rock in between, set an edge. A lot of work can be done here. Watch, I'll show you how I'm automatically going to extend the garden. Okay, see where it is now? See what this is? Right here. And the garden doesn't start till right here, which is over underneath this pane or whatever. Right. Yeah, watch. Because the flowers come out to here. So I'm going to go get a... Well, Saturday afternoon here, May 4th, I'm making a smoothie. Here's a quick view out my windows from my apartment. Look at the girls. Tell me they don't love it here, huh?
Rest assured that I'm not going to have any clothes on. Because as I've said before, and I will stand behind this,
All sitting here in the
the
bed.
only real sin is
View out the window.
Okay? So I get to work in the garden naked. I'm going to sweat out here, and then I'm going to drink the cucumber juice. So sweating. I'm a man who lives
They just
in the
love it here.
world. I kick butt on the earth, and I kick butt in the heavenly realms where...
Starting my garden, poured some dirt in I brought from my house, soil.
What you call somatic death of this human organism in the story is not really that big of a deal, but while you're in this body, have some fun, get engaged.
Listen to Dan the Man,
whatever it is,
Life Regenerator on YouTube.
Juicing, helping people to get...
Okay, I'm going to start my garden here now. I'm going to give you some before pictures of it. I just started here. I already pulled the grass up there. It's right there. Now, this is the before. Cemetery, checking it out. Okay, this is during. Well, we're at Walmart now. I just got my marble, 5 bags of marble for my sidewalk beside my garden, between the garden and the house where I just showed you where it got weeded during. And also, I messed up. I went to the house to get some more flat rocks for my patio that I'm doing now. And I pulled up out front and grabbed a whole bunch of my grabbed all my rocks out of the front yard, all around my raised bed I had out there and around the pole and the flowers, and loaded up my trunk. And I'm way overloaded now, and I couldn't grab my patio rocks that I went over for. So this is stupid. Now I gotta go unload these and go back home and get my patio ones before I can continue. But it's already raining anyway now. Okay, it's raining a little bit. No. Back in here. There we go. You stay in here. Well, I'll show you a little more during. I made it back with a load of rocks. I still got more in the trunk, but I didn't want to get wet because the storm's going to pass. It's only a quick one. There's my marble rocks. Here's what I got so far. There's the line. That's not measured yet, though. It's 28 inches to the edge, but it's not measured there yet. I'm just setting them out there. And then these I just kind of eyed out to here. And this will be it. Straight over to there. To the other side of that green bag. I'm going to empty that green bag out. And these marble rocks, I got 5 bags. I'm going to go around them rocks. Patio, walking out on the other side. Again, there's my windows. Oh, I just stepped in the floor. In this bag I had a tomato plant in last year, and strawberries and mint. Two tomato plants actually, one on each end. Cherry tomatoes, they were huge. Oh, I got a lot off of them. So I'm going to have to retransplant this parsley again. The cat keeps peeing on it. But I'm going to pull it away from the wall. I was going to go tight to the wall with the garden, but I decided not to. I'm going to put the walkway there. And then it'll grow quite a bit of food. So it'll come out to here. I might stretch it. Yeah, well, I'll stretch it out. I'll stretch it out to where I started this one. Probably take this whole corner. And then I want to do something under here. Cut these edges. You know. Here's my bedroom. And this is the southern side of the house. I get the sun all day. Although there are a lot of trees. But, you know, you do what you can. Here's an indoor view of it. See, I got my stones going. Okay, here's another video of during. These marble rocks have so much white crap in them, dust, you gotta rinse them. That's what takes a lot of time. Anyway, I got this much done. And I raked the grass from here all the way over to there. The other side of the gallery layout, on the other side where she is, down there you see I filled in half of that track. All this is raked. Up to here I cut this boundary pretty good. That's 2 bags of rock so far, that's it. I think 5 will get me across there. Might buy a couple more to make it thicker later. So let's go out and take a look at the update here. Oh, what do we got here? Right outside my door. Oh, we have a spearmint plant. Okay. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, ginger mint. Parsley. I forgot what kind of thyme. I think it's regular. Oh, lemon thyme and silver thyme. The scallions that I've already eaten once. After you eat them, you cut them down by the bottom and plant them and they'll regrow. Or just put them in water and they'll regrow. Cucumbers, I gotta get them in the ground still. My stevia, which is like sugar, wicked sweet. Here's a row of red Swiss chard, 6 of them. And over here's a row of green Swiss chard, 6 of them. A pansy from last year, another pansy from last year. Here's a row of red kale, 4 of them. And a roll of Lacinato kale, Lusitano kale. It's also dinosaur kale, known as dinosaur kale. I got 5 of them in a row. I put the other one over here, and then the other 2 red kale from this row is 4. The other 2 to make it 6 are right there. So I got those planted so far. This is for more herbs in between here. Parsley. So there'll be parsley and cilantro in there, some marigolds and stuff in where I can fit them. And then I still got this to finish down to here. I'm not sure what's going to be in here yet. This is a lemon balm from last year. That was in the garage all winter. And that much of it grew back this winter, this spring. It was out in the shed growing. So I redid that. To finish this walkway. And then I got this mint. It was growing out my front garden over in the acres by the driveway. So I went and get my soil. I grabbed this too. It came back from last year. Of course, mint's perennial anyway. Well, and then my hen and chicks that were Mrs. Nelson's, she gave them to my mother from her plant. A spider plant from inside. And then this plant I gotta put out in the sun for a little bit. The cats were shitting in that one, or one of the cats, the black cat, Snowball, was shitting in there and pissing in there, so it stinks, so I put it outside. Well, it can go outside, but it's gotta stay in the shade. Anyway, that's it for now. Well, it's Monday, June 24th, 2013. I'm babysitting the girls. I'm going to show you what we got growing on. As I come out my door, we have a mint to our left, spearmint. Over to the other side of the door, we have a ginger mint. Then down my walkway, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paper lantern hot peppers, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white habanero peppers, very hot, and then 1 more paper lantern pepper. They will get pretty good sun most of the day. Till over there at night. And then we got growing on over to the right of my door as I come out. I gotta finish my walkway. But what we got growing on here, we're almost full to capacity. We still got a little bit more room down the end. Let's see what we got here. We'll stay out of the shadow. We got nasturtium, flat parsley, marigold, celosia, scallions, cilantro, stevia, salvia, and then we've got Greek oregano, cilantro again, flat parsley, Genovese basil, Genovese basil, Genovese basil, silver thyme, lemon thyme, curly parsley, another flat parsley, another flat parsley, another flat parsley, marigold, flat parsley, curly parsley, Genovese basil, curly parsley, another Genovese basil, another curly parsley, another curly parsley, another curly parsley, another curly parsley, and a flat parsley. Actually, I think I just showed you those, whatever. Another basil, marigold, red chard, Swiss chard, arugula, nasturtium, different kind than that one over there. 3 more red Swiss chard, then a row of 6 green Swiss chard, red kale, red kale, red kale, red kale, marigold, pansies, celosia, lacinato kale, also known as dinosaur kale, dinosaur kale, dinosaur kale, dinosaur kale, dinosaur kale, marigold, celosia, romaine lettuce, red kale again, and then dinosaur kale, and hen and chicks, non-edible, salvia, non-edible, red romaine, red romaine, red romaine, red romaine, another green romaine, and all of these are salad bowl lettuce, marigold, and then green collard, collard green, more hen and chicks. 3 cucumbers I'm still looking for a home for. They're still in the tray, actually. 3-seated tray buried in there with them. 5 arugulas. The 6th one's down there. Another salvia. My lemon balm. These are in a tray too. Still need to be transplanted. Hen and chicks, they're temporary there, and they might stay. And that's it, except my mint. And my spider. Another spider, which is obviously a baby from the big one. And then this is Dave's old spider tree, some kind of spider. There's a cat's pissed in his shit in. I'm trying to save it, but I don't know, I'll be close. Of course, those aren't edible, spiders and them. So that's it. Of course, I got my pot of marigolds over there, and then I got these here. Aloe from the baby from the plant inside, 3 celosios, marigolds, and a salvia. The only thing here not edible, salvia. Aloe vera, I put my fruit smoothies, marigolds, fruit smoothies, and salad. Same with celosios. I just threw that up real quick, built rocks up underneath it to make it somewhat level, because this is all sun. In the afternoon it gets a few hours, I hope enough. I don't know, but it's tough here. Everything's all cloud cover. It's the only sky there is. It's not a lot. I'd get my chainsaw out if I owned the property. Here's my shadow. I'll just show you my shadow over here. Still a mess. I got this part cleaned out just because I needed to get stuff. And this is all the stuff I own now, except for what you saw in the house and storage, probably in previous videos. But this is it, man. My kayak, of course. And then this is the other part of my shed. This is the enclosed part. It's pretty good storage, enough for what I need. Yep, enough for what I need. I could lock it if I wanted, but I don't need to.
Trailers for sale, rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no food, no bed. I ain't got no cigarettes. I'm 2 hours of pushing, 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, I know me. I don't pay no union dues. I smoke old stogies. I have my house short, but not too big around. I'm a man of means, I know me. King of the road. I know every engineer on every train. All of their children rooms to let 50 cents. No phone, no pets. I ain't got no cigarettes. I'm a 2 hours of pushing broom back 8 by 12 4-bedroom. I'm a man of means, I know me. King of the road.
Okay, you see here how something's been eating my collards? Well, I come out and cut all the ones that were being eaten, rinsed them in the sink, and look what was crawling in the sink. See that little green caterpillar down there? Or wherever he is? Yeah, that thing is a worm, that green thing. And that's what's eating your collards and your chards. Okay, I found out today something was eating my chard. This is my green Swiss. You see that leaf's completely gone. This one's hammered. That one's hammered. So I clipped off a few to take them inside and inspect them. And I rinsed them, put them on the sink, and ate some of them. And then, see that worm on the bottom of that stem down there? There's your culprit. That's what's eating them. It's some kind of caterpillar. And that's why you don't see him, because look how he blends right in. See him moving around? That's a... That's what's eating your chards and your green leafy stuff. It's got holes in them, them buggers right there. And if you go out during the day and you inspect them, you'll find them. Look how big he is. But obviously they blend in too, so I'm putting them in here for now. I'll show my brother. But I gotta do some more inspecting. My lettuce took a beating from the rain. I don't know if that's... I don't think it will. I'll just clip it and eat it if it don't. Paid $2 for all of it. You know, you can't even buy salad that cheap. And I've already eaten a lot of it. I've already eaten $10 worth. Let's see. Something's going on with my collards here in the end. This one and this one. We've got a little slit in this one, so we're going to flip the leaves over and see the little green bugs on there. I don't know if you can see them or not. There's one there, and two more down here. But those are what's going to put holes in them. You can either just take them and pick them off, manual labor, which I just did with that one and that one. And then what I'm going to do is, you got holes in there, you flip it over. Well, this one's got dirt on it too from the rain. But what I'm going to do is mix up a little bit of habanero pepper juice in a spray bottle with water. And then you come out here and you spray underneath of put a light coating of spray in a spray bottle with water and hot pepper sauce. I mean, you know, spicy something in water, and then spray it, and then it'll keep them things off. 'Cause they will. Okay, here on my kale and on some of my collards, you know how they always get little holes in them, the tiny holes? Well, here's a fresh new leaf coming in off my kale I picked, because I wanted to show you this. Look on the back. I don't know if you can see them or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little critters on there. Can you see them better off the macro? 8 critters on there. That's what puts your holes in your leaves. Your little teeny holes. Here's what true serenity means. Here's my kitchen window. Well, here's the first real cuttings from my garden. It's kind of nice, so nice you don't want to eat it. This is just an assortment of everything: the kale, the chives, arugulas. This stuff I trimmed out after a rain, all the low stuff. And this is all lettuce over here, but beautiful stuff. Just absolutely beautiful, 100% organic, grown with rock dust mix, azomite, fungi for the roots. Oh, just absolutely. I know you probably can't hear that chewing in the camera, but boy, it is crunchy. It's a good chaser for my morning drink of cayenne pepper, vinegar, ground cinnamon, 2 cloves of garlic, and a thumb size of ginger and water. Excellent drink for your skin, amongst other things. It's awesome. You just grab a few of each thing, assortment, and just roll them up and, you know, put them in your mouth and chew them up real good and then swallow them. Really, really good. The arugula really sets it off. Again, all from my garden. Well, here's a little update. July 30th, 2013. Not getting a whole lot of sun here during the day, so things are going slow. My paper lanterns, one there. Got a few here, but not looking good. My habaneros, a bunch of peppers, but look at, not very tall. Some more habaneros. And those are habaneros. And these are paper lanterns. That's a habanero. But they're not going very good, not getting enough sun. I'm going to start moving them around. Leave them in my driveway when they get out of the sun. Keep them in the sun all day, best I can. Same here, I can't. This ain't in the sun all day. He's down there hunting in the woods. But all in all, it's going pretty good. I can't complain. The wind takes a toll on it up here, and so does the rain. And I'm going to add more compost today. It's all settled around it, around all the plants. I'm going to add some more compost and vermiculite and peat moss, make up a mixture. But Romaine got... See, what happened was my root dip stuff I used. I didn't read the directions again this year, and I just poured it in the bucket when I was dipping my roots when I was planting, and I way overused it. So that's why my plants are growing right out of the roots. But everything looks pretty good. My cucumbers, I don't know. That one there on the end was growing up, and it was way up above there. So I bent it around, hooked it down in. Now it's turned and trying to go back up again. I want it to go back down and on the ground. So what? They're gonna always grow up? What, I gotta go up higher with my trellis? Oh, look at that puppy. Holy shit, I can eat that one. There's another one there. Another one there. Onyx, come. Back up here. Good girl. Oh, such good girls. Say, relax. You guys just ate. No. Hey. You guys just ate. Well, I feel like eating that one. I don't want to let it grow. Nice. That came out fast, man. That thing was just like that a week ago. Arugula, I love arugula. I'm gonna trim all this stuff up. I got a salad I made last night with all the stuff I got in there, and now I gotta come out and get a bunch of this stuff in it too. The mint's taking off good. This plant here, I was trying to save. The cats were shitting and pissing in this thing. I've gotta get that out of there and redo that. I think it's coming back. I think I saved that. I'm gonna put a couple spiders in that thing, put a chain on it. Hanging down, level like that one. This one took off good. And another big one inside. I gotta get outside too. I'll show you. This one took off really good for inside. That one. These are all babies. I gotta do something with them. These two cats keep drinking. I keep filling that with water and the cats drink it, so they stay dry. Well, they don't stay dry. I gotta keep refilling it, but I'm gonna plant them in something else. And I'm gonna start eating these aloe vera. I'm gonna stop buying them and I'm gonna start eating these up. I'll keep one main one going, probably that one. Transplant that into this pot after I eat all them. And then end up eating this one too and transplanting something else in here. And this bamboo I'm going to transplant. A lot of people keep them in water and stone because that's the way they come in the ship, but they'd rather be in dirt. So I'm going to transplant that too. A couple of spiders I got in there also. Okay, that's it. Onyx enjoying this serenity. What a better thing to be doing at 9:30 in the morning, huh? Okay, I've got my garden pretty much trimmed out. I still gotta add the compost, but as you can see, it's pretty filtered out now. It's not all clogged up. I've got scallions here. Stuff I already ate, mostly parsley because I got a ton of that overgrown. Some mixed stuff here. Lamb's quarter, which is wild. I love that. That's replacement of spinach. No one should starve with that growing wild in the world. Look at it, there's 4 of them right here. That's wild. That's the one I just showed you. I just cut it off. That one right there is wild in my sidewalk. And then there's other ones too, but they came up in the wrong place, so I had to pick them. But that's lamb's quarter. It grows wild. And it's awesome. No one should have to starve in the world. They knew how to eat. So then I got this bowl of stuff, all that parsley. Mixed stuff here to round up. And then my lettuce here to round up. That's it. And then I gotta fill my compost in. I'm gonna mix my compost and then fill it all in. And I'm experimenting. Excuse me. I clipped my Lacedano, also known as dinosaur kale, right down and see what that does. That one pretty much too, but awful leggy stuff. Of course, I've been eating off them too. That's why they look so leggy. They're not as leggy as they look, but they are leggy. I gotta straighten all this mess out still. I did trim off all the leaves that were touching the ground on there, though. And then, like this, I stood up and tacked it around, and they'll stay up. That was laying down. Look at this one. This one goes in the ground, comes back up. It's this one's root. It was originally rooted here. Grew up and tipped over, so I peeled all this off. It goes down in and back out. It'll go straight up from here, I hope. I have to move my... I just trim the side of that. Should be alright. I just had a piece of rosemary with a piece I trimmed. Is that good? And then this one I'm going to stand back up with soil once I get my soil over here. So that'll be out of the way. Yeah, I got another one here. Collard. Then I'm going to try to grow back from stub. That's about it. Everything else is as good as it can look with all the shade. See, everything's in the shade now. It's like 10 and 12 right now in the afternoon. All that's in the shade and all this. Because of that one ugly tree right there. And then I'll be in the sun from there to there, and then it's gone for the day. That's it for the day. I got morning from there till it gets into that tree and then over. So it's not enough. Actually, I'm going to water. Now that cactus. Cucumber grew up. This ain't getting no sun. That stopped growing. My lemon balm. Very calming. I get this stuff watered, and then I'm going to mix my compost. I'm going to water everything first. Okay, that's what we're going to do. I don't even think I got any. I got to get some. Yep, got to get some water. So as you can see, that's quite a lot of stuff to get to add to the salad. I won't add all this parsley though, because I'll be cleansing the body. It's not even, you don't need cleansing, but that's what pulls the spider coming out of it. Plus I still got to get more flowers from over there on that planter way over. And get, look at the celosias growing up out of them. Seeing better now, telephoto. Anyway, Celosia is that big red one. Oh no, that's not, that's the Sylvia. Sylvia, that's not edible. Celosia is these ones down here, the orange, purple, and yellow. Hey, get out of there, donk. Don't go into flowers. So out in there I can get a couple orange marigolds from there for my salad. I just grabbed some from over here for my smoothie, otherwise I would have had some up here. I wanted to walk up slow and look at the garden as I walked up. Oh well, I got other shit I gotta do anyway.